Do you struggle to wake up in the morning? Does hitting that snooze button seem like the only option? Well, imagine if you could jumpstart your day with a burst of energy that keeps you fresh, focused, and upbeat all day long. Welcome to the 10-Minute Morning Boost, a series of quick exercises designed to energize your day. First up, let's talk about the importance of morning exercises. They not only wake up your muscles but also kick your brain into high gear. They boost your metabolism, improve your mood, and help you stay fit. So if you're ready to conquer your day, gear up for this power-packed routine. Start off with a simple exercise called the Wake Up Stretch. Stand tall, raise your arms above your head, and stretch your entire body from your fingertips down to your toes. Hold this position for about 10 seconds, then release. Repeat this 5 times. This stretch is a great way to shake off the stiffness and get your blood flowing. Next, move on to jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and hands by your side. Then jump and spread your feet apart while swinging your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Do this for 1 minute. This full body exercise is excellent for increasing your heart rate and improving your cardiovascular health. Now, let's switch gears to mountain climbers. Begin in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Bring one knee towards your chest, then switch and bring the other knee forward, like you're climbing a mountain. Continue this for 1 minute. This exercise targets your core, helping to strengthen it while also boosting your cardio. Following this, it's time for body weight squats. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lower your body as far as you can by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Pause, then slowly push yourself back to the starting position. Repeat this for 1 minute. Squats are great for building leg and lower body strength. Finally, wrap up your routine with deep breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds, then exhale through your mouth. Do this for about 2 minutes. Deep breathing has numerous benefits, from reducing stress to improving focus and energy levels. So there you have it, a quick 10-minute morning boost routine that's simple, effective, and can be done right in the comfort of your home. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of these exercises lies in consistency, so try to incorporate this routine into your daily schedule. In summary, morning exercises are not just about physical fitness. They're about waking up your mind, boosting your energy, and setting a positive tone for the day. So, next time you're tempted to hit the snooze button, try these exercises instead. You might just find that they're the perfect way to kickstart your day. Until next time, keep moving, keep stretching, and remember, the best project you'll ever work on is you.